Namaste everyone, Master Praveen.
Master Jay here.
So guys, this is a surprise that we both are coming together with one of the very excited program which we are going to be organized Yoga Wellness Retreat. And that retreat we are organizing in the motherland of yoga. I think नाम से आप समझ गए होंगे कि this event will be organizing in the Rishikesh, the capital of the yoga. तो इसके जो contents हैं that will be explained by Master Jay.
Actually, this is a special event. First of all, here anyone can join who is beginner and who is already teaching somewhere. So in this special course we organize so everyone can benefit by this event. So in this we will focus more onto the different type of techniques, like if you want to learn like the more advanced techniques, how you want to increase the flexibility level. So all the things we will cover in this, like different styles of yoga we will teach you in this, like the power yoga, ashtanga yoga, yin yoga, because here you need to understand about the all the contents with more knowledge. So we will give you the knowledge how to describe all the styles of yoga, and we will teach you how to use the props you can use in your yoga practice. So all the props like the strap, the block, wheel, everything we will teach you in this event. And all the kiryas, morning, you can do pranayama, shatkarma, meditation. The special meditation event it will be there, and also we will focus on to the yoga dance. So yoga dance also we will teach you in this event, and how to improve postures, how to adjust posture, the alignment, correction. So everything in this special course. So I just want to say, please don't miss this chance, because this is a special chance when we, Master Praveen and me, coming together. So please join this.
आई थिंक मास्टर जय ने कोई जगह छोड़ी नहीं कि मुझे कोई और चीज़ आपको समझानी पड़े, बट आई वांट टू बी ऐड फ्यू थिंग्स मोर. नंबर वन कि ये जो द रिट्रीट विल बी फॉर द 6 days and the 5 nights, मीन्स द टाइमिंग विल बी फ्रॉम 12th of November to 17th of November. Especially why we choose this date, because before that there are so many Indian festivals, so that everyone can be free from their all the festivals and families program, ताकि आप easily एक free mind के साथ आप इस event को join कर सकें. Another thing, as Master Jay explained, कि this event is for everyone. Even you are a beginner, you are a yoga teacher, you are just very newly in the yoga, even you are not doing the yoga and you want to have the relaxation purpose, so you are also welcome to join this course. And guys, as I mentioned कि ये जो event है, this event is organizing in the Osho Dham in the Rishikesh, and वहाँ पर क्या कि there is a very beautiful view. As Rishikesh everyone knows, the locations, the place, environment, weather, everything is awesome. और इस जगह के ऊपर जो है माँ गंगा जी बिल्कुल हमारे पीछे ही जो इवेंट जो होगा हमारा, दैट जस्ट बिहाइंड द माँ गंगा जी वहाँ पर बह रहे हैं. इट्स अ रियली ऑसम व्यू. सो वी विल आल्सो शेयर द सम पिक्चर्स एंड द वीडियोस अबाउट दैट लोकेशंस एवरीथिंग. And another thing about the pricing at all, pricing is a very nominal price. We are giving the 2 package for the dormitory and for the non-deluxe. We are also giving the one link. आप उस link पर जाइए, link को click कीजिए and you will be find all the details. Master Jay ने already explain कर दिया आपको कि what kind of the content we will be focused on it. So I no need to be repeat again.
So from a long time all of you are waiting like some offline events. So this is the offline event when we are coming together, and we will teach you all the advanced technique. Please join it.
So thank you so much guys, and hope to see you soon. Namaste.